show you guys how to make the best thing ever made. What you do is you go to Target and you buy Mega Stuff Oreos. Or you're any local store near you. You buy these. What you do, set them down. Put down your tripod so you can be flexing all your friends. Open it up. You grab 3. They let me up. You take these 3. Put them over there so the whole world can see. You take off the top of one. Leave it right there. Take off the top of another. Take off the top of a third. Of Mega Stuff Oreos, remember that. They work best with Mega Stuff. Then you stack that. And you do that. It is so fun. And then you have this delicious thing. Remember, you need the Mega Stuff. Hold on. Like Oreo, please sponsor me. You guys taste delicious. Wait, do we have milk? No, I don't. I do have that monstrosity. Doesn't that look good? How good that is. So obviously, you can just buy Mega Stuff Oreos and then you can practically just stack all of them together, but how would that fit in your jaw? So that's why I'm only doing 3. I'm gonna take a bite out of this and tell you guys how good this is. That's probably the best thing I've ever had. Alright, this is so good. I recommend to make this. All you do is go to Target and buy Mega Stuff Oreos, and you make this. That's it. All you gotta do. Or you can just go to a store that sells Mega Stuffed Oreos. Why are you in your kennel? Did you do something bad, Rose? I don't know, but this thing's really good. Thank you for watching. Peace. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. Peace.